Welcome back to another episode of MRPeasy Manufacturing Podcast. Today we're sharing insights from Smart Factory Expo 2025 with MRPeasy, showcasing smart manufacturing solutions. The event strongly emphasized advanced manufacturing technologies, from AI-powered automation and sensor-based control systems to highly specialized niche software. The expo hall buzzed with activity as leading companies presented integration tools, robotic solutions, and cutting-edge digital platforms. MRPeasy stood shoulder to shoulder with some of the industry's most established ERP providers, and we were proud to demonstrate that our solution can compete at the highest level, combining intuitive usability with powerful functionality tailored for small manufacturers. A safe bet in a risky landscape. Several of our UK partners and clients highlighted something we hear more and more often. MRPeasy is seen as a risk-free choice in a field where ERP systems are often associated with high costs, long implementation times, and overwhelming complexity. With MRPeasy, manufacturers can start small, see real value within a month, and avoid the heavy upfront investment that often holds companies back. This clear competitive edge resonated strongly throughout the event, engaging with old friends and new faces. Our team of consultants was busy throughout both days of the expo, giving dozens of live demos and discussing real-world manufacturing challenges with attendees. It was especially rewarding to meet longtime MRPeasy users in person, many of whom shared how the system has grown with them and helped them improve their operations. Thank you for visiting us. To everyone who took the time to stop by our booth, thank you. Whether you were exploring ERP systems for the first time or looking to take your operations to the next level, we appreciated every conversation, question, and connection. We're excited by the momentum we felt at the event and grateful for the recognition we received for being a strong, reliable ERP partner in the UK market. We look forward to continuing the conversation started at Smart Factory Expo and hope to see you again at future events. That wraps up this episode of the MRPeasy Manufacturing Podcast. Thanks for tuning in. For more information about us, visit mrpeasy.com. See you next time.